panahon may init pre. Pero kung init ang isgutan, tanawa o likaw pa ni kutsara.
Ano na pre? Dita na pre?
Mga gani, pero tanawa.
Oh, subasor ka kutsara pre? Ano nga pilman ang handle mo init pre nga ang tanak mga sa ubos magituslo pre.
Nakoy gamay explanation sa metal pre.
Ano sa man pre?
Ang metal na sa properties na atomic structure, sea of electrons.
O di ingon sa mama nga dapat magamit jud og mga wooden spoon kay dili man tumuinit. Pero nga nung muinit jud ang metal pre.
Tanawa. Oh. Tungod ana nga epesyente ang material sa pagbalhin sa thermal energy. So, kinahanglan na nato ni i-quantify. Magtanaw tag experiment. Tama.
Hi everyone, we are the engineered chemists. So now, we will show you how to determine the specific heat of an object using simple calorimetry.
First, our material needed is the
weighing scale, thermometer, spoon, calorimeter.
Extra knowledge! A calorimeter is basically a heat prop. The better the insulation, the less heat escapes, making results more reliable.
Water, measuring cups, tissues, tongs, and pot of water on a stove.
And now, we want to make sure that the spoons are thoroughly dry before weighing its scale.
Next, weigh the spoons.
Fun fact! Smaller objects reach thermal equilibrium faster, which means less weighting and better accuracy.
Then, measure the mass of the water in the calorimeter in grams.
Did you know water is often used in heat experiments because it has a very high specific heat capacity, meaning it can absorb a lot of heat without huge temperature change. That's why oceans help regulate Earth climate.
In checking the initial temperature, let's put our thermometer in the cup of room temperature water and write it down the number.
Turn on the stove, let it boil, then check the temperature. Put the metal in a pot of boiling water for a few minutes.
If the metal and water are at the same temperature, will heat still flow between them? Nope. Heat only flows when there's a temperature difference.
Measure the temperature of that boiling water. Since the metal has been sitting in it, the metal is now that same temperature.
Extra knowledge! Metals conduct heat efficiently because of their free-moving electrons. This is why metals are used in cookware and engines.
To transfer, use tongs to move the metal in our insulated cup as fast as possible. If we go slow, the heat escapes into the air instead of the water.
When the temperature stops rising, dropping, and stays steady, write that down. This is your final equilibrium temperature. Repeat the process for every spoon.
Thank you for watching.
I hope you learned something.
Please like
Share!
And subscribe.
Mao dito siya dahil nga great conductor sa heat dahil ang metal. Mao ding if ibutang nimo ang metal spoon diri sa init na tubig, mo init po dahil siya no. Mao dito no. Mao dito pre.
Nindot la pag-explain bro.
Oh bro. Like, share, and subscribe.